Let me... I don't know if you guys can hear me very much well kasi nandito yung fan. But I just woke up from a nap because bumili kami ng school supplies this morning. It was around 11 and then nakauwi kami 3 something and I took a nap. Then I just woke up. Malapit na yung back to school ko. It's on June 8 and today is May 18. And then around Thursday, pupunta na ako sa Bicol for a 1-week vacation and then Monday na ako makakauwi. So I need to buy school supplies na and need to organize it. As someone who's a total type of J, I really want things to be organized. I don't want to rush things. So ngayon, mag-i-school haul ako. School supplies haul ako. So here are the school supplies na I have bought so far. It's quite a lot actually. Sa baba. It's quite a lot. So we're gonna do a haul. Most of my school supplies na nandito sa Unicity where I bought my school supplies as well since last school year I also bought it here. Which one should we start? Maybe the paper ones because it's the most obvious ones. So my room, I know it's messy. So first we have, what do you call this? Is it clear book? Long clear book. Every school year, meron akong ganito. And this is where I put some of my papers. Basta iniipon ko yung mga school papers ko. So this is for my grade 12 school year. And then the second one is, this is assorted colored paper. I bought 2 since I'm not really sure if magagamit ko to lahat. But just in case, madaming color yan. I bought it. Hindi ko na binili yung madamihan kasi I know for sure I won't be able to use almost all of it, but I bought some for designs then. Next is, I have this glittery sheet. Madami siya. I will use it mostly for my designs on the papers since I'm reaching for a with high honor. But there's this saying that it won't be giving the with honors, but with achievements na kailangan 9 to 5. Well, so madami siya. Quite a lot. How many pieces? Does it say? It's like glittery sheet siya, but foam type, you know. Next, I bought a temporary pillow pad na cool. Actually, I'm looking for a brand na Victory or Mika since yun yung maganda yung quality na papers. But karamihan sa option there is not really my type. So I bought a temporary one. Ito maganda siya, but this is not the usual one that we mostly use. But it's good. And it's shorter than the usual. Kasi diba yung usual na long is like this. Ganyan. So, temporary lang to. I will be buying another one na may ganito. Probably Victory or Mika. And then, kasama na din sa pagsabay ko nun yung lengthwise, 1/4, crosswise, mga ganon. Yellow pad na ang ginagamit, guys. So, ayun. I bought also one set of, what do you call this? Is this called binder? Pero, Deco siya. Para siyang katlaya siya na madami. This is not the usual one na binibili ko. I use the binder na binabind siya, tapos may refillable, ganon. Pero, bibilin ko siya online. So, hindi pa nga complete as school supplies ko. Opo. Bibilin ko siya online since I love the quality there. I would go for white, but wala silang white. And wala ding pink. So, I bought black na lang para malinis siya tignan. And not so agaw pansin. Should we go sa hygiene? Sige. Next is tissue. We have 1, 2, 3 tissues. I think this will be good enough for first sem. Supposedly, ang bibilin ko is yung like square siya na maliliit na madami. But I couldn't find one, so ito na lang. Yeah, I love it. Tatlo siya. Next. Kung meron tayong tissue, of course, may wipes tayo. Yan, isa lang binili ko kasi si kuya na lang daw bibili ng iba. So, ang binili ko is yung may cup. May cover. Meron naman yung like walang cover. Pero, I thought na if I bought the one na walang cover, baka mag-leak yung water from the tissue. So, yung may cover na binili ko. Good purchase, right? Naniligpit ko siya sa side para hindi siya makalat later on kasi I will be taking a picture. Next is I have a whole box of Band-Aids. Yes. If you know me, palagi akong may dalang Band-Aid anywhere, even on my wallet, my phone, my bag, and my first aid kit ako mostly na may dinadala just in case na may incident and kailanganin. So, I bought a 1 box na. I think pwede na to for whole school year because I don't really think na may incident na mangyayari super dami na I've been thinking to using this. So, ayan siya. Madami pa siya sa loob. Okay. I'm really happy. And then, almost every time kapag may nasusugatan, pina-first aid ko na sila. Like, tinatanggal ko na yung dumi, tissue, everywhere, water, ganun. Para lang walang infection. And then, I will glue on it. Tapos, meron din akong betadine. Basta yung mga kakailanganan ko. So, I bought, is this mesh organizer. I have 2 of these na white. So, hindi na ako bumili ng madami. And it haven't been long since nagamit ko siya. So, gagamitin ko na lang yun. But I bought pink. Suppose dito ko ilalagay yung hygiene or my makeup. But for my pencil case, I already have one. Kaya, I bought 2 headbands. Yeah, I really like it.
Kind of elegant looking.
This one then, it has a almost same pattern and texture with my dress. So, 2 of these. I'm also gonna buy some hair accessories online. But when I was buying this, doon sa binibilan namin, madami siya magaganda. But I thought, madami din akong ganito na mga anix-anix sa hair. So, I bought 2. And it's also quite pricey na din. Nahanap ko siya, magpakita ka. Y'all, hindi ko makita. Teka lang. Ayan, nahanap ko na. So, I also bought a black hair tie. Yung thin lang. So, dati, ang binibili ko, when I was around junior high school, ang binibili ko is Rio, yung black. But, I changed that into a hair tie. Kasi, most of the time, isang beses ko lang siya nagagamit. And then, it also ruins my hair. And then, napuputol siya. So, I switched to this ones. Ayan. Madami siya. So, I can just put it one like here. So, pag ginagamit ko to, matagal siyang nagagamit for a long time. Like, let's say, I use it on my school. Tapos, when I reach home, ililigpit ko siya. And then, magagamit ko ulit siya. Ganun. And then, one of the good thing then is hindi nabubunot yung hair ko. Unlike sa Rios. So, I bought a katingko. Parang siyang, I don't know, it's katingko talaga. Or some sort of katingko, but in another brand. This one. Dati, ang binili ko is maliit. But, nawala siya. I think, nung may nanghiram sa akin. But, nawala na. So, I bought another one para sa... I don't really use katingko, you guys. But, I bought it para sa mga classmates ko, sa mga kakilala ko, sa mga friends ko na nahihilo. And then, they use katingko most of the time. So, I bought it anyways. Pero, I don't really like the smell of this. To be honest. Next, let's go to the, like, stationery stuffs. I bought roller ball pens. Colored roller ball pens. Madami na yan. Like, how many pieces? 12 pieces. And then, ayan siya. So pretty. And then, of course, di mawawala ang acrylic markers. Actually, I don't really use acrylic markers talaga. Madalas ang ginagamit ko is highlighter. But I've been using it na din. So I bought one myself. Tapos yung ginagamit ko last school year, hindi pa siya ubos. Actually, madami pa dun. But I bought some. So, ito yung best friends ko. Kapag nag-notes ako, nagpapakaganda ng mga outfits. Ng mga outputs. Ayan. Na. I don't know, guys. I bought a pencil case anyway. And ang ganda ng texture niya. You know. It's classy looking. Pero I bought one. Meron. Even though I already have one. Tapos may mesh organizer ako. I bought a small notebook. Iko-coverhan ko to kasi I don't really like the design. Actually, nung naghahanap ako ng small notebook, nagpipili ako na like ganito talaga sa taas, tas flippable lang, ganyan, and then this small, and then great quality. Pero I suddenly found this. Like, on a random place, di ko mahanap yung katulad nito kasi nga, hinahanap ko siya, but I'm looking for another design. Pero hindi ko mahanap, so parang isa na lang talaga siya. And then, ang ganda ng quality. This is for my to-do notes, reminders, yung mga like kailangan talaga matandaan, mga announcements, ganun. Para when I reach home or I'm at the school, isusulat ko yung mga kailangan ko in such a small, basic way. I've been using one of these since nasa school ako. I'm using this ones. Next is a ruler. Wala pa. Actually, yung gamit ko talaga na ruler is the wooden one, yung parang orange. Ay, hindi siya mabilis masira. But, may nakita akong ganito sa online na. Sabi ko sa online mabibili, but I saw one of these. And what's good thing is that, it's small lang. So, hindi siya mabilis na ganun, mabiyak, masira. Good thing about this one is, ay ko, ano siya? See? Panalo yun. So, ayan na, mahaba na siya. Yan. Tapos may ganito din siya, and then may shapes like that. Tapos, around 30 cm lang din. So, mahaba siya. But, kapag hindi ko nagagamit, flip ko na lang, ganun, sa bag ko, or sa pencil case ko. That's why I bought it na. Of course, correction tape. Hindi ako gaano gumagamit ng correction tape, sa totoo lang, guys. I don't like having the hassle of doing things. Lalo na kapag take down notes lang, or hindi kailangan maganda. Ginaganon ko lang, kunyari, let's say may text there. Ginaganon ko na lang, para erase na yun. But I bought some. Meron pa akong isa. Diba? Hindi ko talaga ginagamit yung correction tape most of the time. But next is flags tape. Actually, madami akong ganito. Like, yung mas maninipis. But I bought this one kasi ito, it's quite rectangle shape. Kasi yung meron ako is like, let's say na mahaba. Tapos ganito. Long rectangle talaga. Ito, rectangle na ganon. And sticky notes. Additionally, madami din akong sticky notes na mahahaba na rectangle, ganyan. And din ako bumili ng ibang sticky notes kasi super dami ko pa talaga. Pakita ko sa inyo. Kinuha ko na siya. Look, ay shit. Ang dami ko pa, diba? But, eto kasi, square siya. So, ang dami kong ganito na rectangle. But, wala na akong square kasi ubus na. So, tapos next is this one, diba? Ito yung sinasabi kong meron ako. Ito yung madalas na ginagamit ko. Meron din akong white. And then the next one I'm gonna do is the tapes that I bought. Yung iba doon is for my design na outputs na kakailanganin ko. So first is meron ako ito, film tape. Para siyang film, right? Next thing is I bought double-sided tape. So this one is the usual one, right? Tapos ito naman, I bought this kasi makapal siya. And then I can use it for very thin pieces. Like, kunyari, straight na ganyan. Tapos gaganon ko siya, ganun. So, manipis na talaga. Is, I have a weird one na probably not many of us sees. A black tape. I know, right? It's so random. Pero I bought it for my design sa outputs. And then, another weird kind of tape is colored tapes. For my designs din to. Ayan. And then the last kind of tape that I have is clear tape. 5 clear tapes that I will be using. Dinamihan ko na kasi I know for sure na gamit ko to. I have this tape, what do you call this? Tape distributor. Yan. So meron na siyang sa loob. Yan. So pwede ko na lang i-refill to dito. It's the same size or thinner. Pero ito yung gamit ko kasi when I didn't have this, hirap na hirap akong kailangan manually maggupit para lang magamit. So good thing I can just do that. Ayan. So that's for my tape series. And since nandito na tayo sa mga dikit-dikit, Bumili ako ng glue stick. Dalawa siya. I prefer using the glue stick rather than the liquid ones. Kasi ang sticky niya, kailangan ko pang smudge kapag ginagamit ko. Pero pag sa glue stick, igaganon ko lang. Tapos, what's good thing about this one, ito din kasi yung binili ko last time, is I could just pull these, pwede ko siyang tanggalin and then magiging clear white na siya, which is I love kasi gusto ko yung malinis talaga tignan. And I love the color of white. Dalawa. Next, we will be using the highlighters. 6 highlighters. Pink, green, orange, blue, yellow, and purple. So, ayun. As you can notice here, it's 6. Pero itong dalawa yung naiiba yung kind since wala talaga akong makitang by box nito. And actually, these are the kind of highlighter that I've also used last year. And I really love it kasi matagal siyang nagstay sa akin. And madami talaga yung laman. And also, like, light lang yung color niya. Hindi super tingkad, which is I love. May pagka-pastel. Ganun. Ang sarap ng cool. Ang sarap sa mata ng kulay niya. So, hindi masyado matingkad. And this one, iba na siya. Kind of matte, but it's alright then. So, yun. May subject yung ginagamit ko. Pero, minsan nag-iiba talaga siya. Depende sa subject na vibe na nabigay sa akin. So, yun. Minsan may highlighters. 3, number 2, Mongol. Oh, no. Number 1, Mongol pens. Oh, by the way, hindi ako bumili ng ball pens there. Kasi ang gusto ko talaga is, it's either yung Finetech, G-Tech, or yung sa Deli. Gusto ko kasi yung 0.3 mm. I mean, 0.3 yung super fine and maliit lang yung ano niya, yung tinta. So, sa online ko din siya bibilin. And then, yung another ball pen is, I think Deli din yun, na medyo 0.5 or 0.7 na mas makapal. Dalawa yung ginagamit ko. So, ang bibilin ko doon is by box na. A sharpener, which is so cute. Ito yung binili ko last time, and then may isa pang binili. Yung isa naman, white siya na ganda, malinis tingnan. Pero, ang bulky niya sa palagayan. So, ang binili ko, maliit lang. Para hindi siya take up so much space. Yun yung goal ko, kapag bumili ako ng school supplies. Next is, staple. Two staples na. Meron na akong, staplers, which is yung, quite cute size, ganon. Then, it's also a bunny. So, revealer nun. Next thing, we have 3 things left. What do you call this? Binder clip, I think. Pinili ko is 5 pieces, and it's usually for my organizing materials din, lalo na sa mga papers ko na iniipon ko. Usually kasi, gusto ko talaga-organize siya. So, by subject, I'm thinking na by subject, pero feel ko kulang. But I think some of the subjects there, ay hindi ko na super kailangan na madami, kasi yung subject, hindi siya more into papers. Next is black eraser. Guys, ang hinahanap ko talaga is parang box siya na eraser na parang ballpen na i-up ko lang, ganun. Yun kasi yung ginamit ko dati. And then, doon din ako bumili dati. Pero hindi ko siya mahanap as in, yun talaga yung hinahanap ko. And then, last is this one. ID clip. Na like, let's say na I have my ID right here. Then, nakaklip siya. And then, like, anong pangalan mo? Anong pangalan mo? Ganun. It's usually the doctors who uses this. But I think may malalagay ako dito. Mapagagamit lang ako. And lalo na dito sa long thing. I can use this for like, may sukatan, ganun. And yung ibang ruler, like retractor, yung mga triangle, ganun. Hindi mo na ako bumili. But I used to have one. Pero hindi mo na ako bumili this time. Kasi I noticed na hindi ko talaga gano'ng nagamit yung iba doon. And then yun. So ayun, that's all for the things I've bought today. Earlier this morning. And then, karamihan dito is the things na hindi pa to complete. May kailangan pa akong bilhin. But mostly, online na siya, through delivered. And then, may bag pa ako. And then, yung shoes, I'm not really sure. Bibili pa ba ako ng shoes since Parisian naman yung last shoes ko. And then, it's still good, really good pa. So, I'm not really sure. And then, that's all. Madami pa akong kailangan actually. Papakita ko sa inyo yung list ko. Look at my school supplies. Yung mga naka-blue there are the things na I've already bought. But yung iba doon ay wala pang mark. So, may mga things pa talaga akong need to buy. And look at this, y'all. That is all the things that I bought. So, bye! Bye, bunnies!